I have a bachelor's degree in mechanical engineering. What master course should I apply for?
With a bachelor's degree in mechanical engineering, you can look forward to MS or post-graduation in mechanical engineering, Mechatronics, Robotics and Autonomous Systems, Automotive Engineering, Manufacturing Engineering, Aerospace Engineering, Data Analytics, Data Science or Big Data, Artificial Intelligence, Machine Learning. For more details, call us on 9303424242 or write to us at contactus@ubergrad.com.